this is nothing video of coding or whatever. It's a video on explaining how I make my background looks cool. So yes, first of all, I will give you this link in the description. You have to just go there, download this thing. It's 43 MB. You can just download it from your mobile and take it back to your laptop. After that, let me just show you. Just go here, and to your downloads. Just use the simplify tool. I think this is empty. Yes, I'll take it over here and just increase the size of this so we can see it nicely. So yes, see this. Right click on it and see. I'll not use any app for this thing. I'll just do extract all over here. Done. See. Wait a sec. It's just taking a bit time. Name range intermediate. Yes, done. See, there's it. Done. So I go inside this. After that, I have this thing. I have to download this. What's in readme? Let's just check it out. Yes, it's telling you all whatever to do to make it fine. So I just close in my Google Chrome now. I'll continue English for this. And appropriate installation, standard installation recommended. Let's go with this. Install 60-bit, launch on setup. Let it be. So you have to install this. It's not nothing. It's not a virus. I can give you guarantee. So yes. Download skin, and you have to just delete these things. These things are not good for me. See this. After that, this is a theme for Windows 10, tested on 1903. The theme files are very modified and accompanied by virtual tricks. Please leave a comment and like on the video. See, I wrote this for you guys. Nice, including that. So you have to go. What is this? See, this is what. Okay, you have to install Meter. After that, you have to just go on this. I'm not shooting. You have to go on Nashus setup. You have to install this Nashus. Yes, I wanna English. Next, so yes, it's all fine. At least this is MB for free disk. You need a bit of storage, like 1 GB will be fine. I don't think so. It will take so much that your 1 GB will finish. It's nothing like that. You just need a bit of storage. I'm talking about storage, not internet. It will just take a bit one, not much. See this. See these things. These are available. Start menu and this. Is this cool, guys? You'll get this thing always over here on your home screen. See this. Media player, camera, desktop. I'll just click this. It will just take a photo. And that will not be shown to you. Just because. Hope not mine. Yes, very good. I want the Microsoft Outlook. I don't need that. These things. Everything will be 10 here. 60 degree fanatics. CPU meter and all. This clock is also there. This recycle is also there. I don't have anything. The recycle bin. If I start next use, nothing will happen. And why is this over here? I'll just delete it. Start menu. This will come. Install. And yes, first of all, you have to do is what? Let's give this here. See, first of all you have to hide these things. Let's read this. After installing it's finished, click the next icon on the desktop. Okay, there we go. Click it, go to advanced tab and click restore from the bottom. Let's not later. Let's go here and look at the next video file included. Just wait for this. Where are you going to start? There we go. You have to go on advanced and restore. Let's check for restore. Let's just check. Advanced, click restore from the bottom. See in the bottom. There we go. Restore. And locate the Nashus docs. That's over here. Simplify Nashus docs. Open. No. I did something wrong. Man, paste your mind here. No, not this one. Not this one. Docs icon. Yes, this one. Apply. Okay. And in these places, you have to do is what? Just let me just do it over here. You can do is what? These things are there. Na? First of all, hide this desktop icons. So show desktop icons. Right click. Go in view. Show desktop icons. Hide that. After that, just go in this taskbar. After that, go to taskbar settings. And off this, automatically hide the taskbar on the desktop. If you see it's hidden, you will think, how will I get it back? Just take your cursor to the taskbar where it was. You will just see it over here. Okay, now let's just remove these things. Whatever things I needed from me, I'll just keep them over here. Others will be deleted. Docs. I don't need these things. So rename. Wow. Named. What's let it be whatever. After that, we'll just remove from doc this thing also, and just keep one thing over here, and we can do the others. Like I delete these things, and wow, what just happened? Don't see. No. What just happened? Do not tell me I will make the video again. I'm not gonna see. Whenever it disappears, just bring back your icons on the window, and you will just see this now. Now as you see, you have to just click on that. After that, done. Ashes and ashes both same, both are something familiar. Remove from dock. Remove from dock. And yes, what is it? Like if I want to add something, for now I'll just I don't want to do in tablet mode or anything. I just want to keep my whatever, which one. What I want to keep over here, you can just do it. Just like this. I'm a bit interested on this. So you can just do it like right click, insert doc item. That's a program folder. Program module administration. No. Normal windows. Maximize normal window hotkeys. Nothing needed for these. This change icon. For the icon, browse. Oh, it's browse this as so many icons. You're given whatever you want. Let's search for a good one. Fox. ALS. Why let's say ALS. Windows apps. Okay. Yeah, I don't need these things. I don't need these things. Cancel. After here, you can do is what? Just go in view, show desktops, and just like I want to keep my WhatsApp here. I'll just do like this. Whatever, like now you saw it from desktop. You can keep anything here, and if you wanna keep something from like here, I wanna keep no, not these things, but something else, such as this folder. No, this one. This one is a folder. So you have to do is what? Just go in there, right click it. After that, you will see the send to. Just wow, what I did. Click pin to start. No. Unpin from start. I don't know, make it start. And click your desktop, create shortcut. Okay. After that's done. You have to just click over here, and this will be added. Okay. For now, so I don't need it. And if you click, it will come like this. So that you have to do is many things you can do over here, but now I have no more of it. You can just open it from here, see everything, but I don't want so I'll just remove this from here and this from here, and just hide this as I am done. I'll just remove this in the next till the next video. I'll just do something and these things I needed to show you all guys. And yes, this clock arena meter, after installing it is finished, you will see widgets on your desktop. No, remove the right click and link. Do this for all default widgets. Copy the folder mont from third one, from here mont. Okay, paste mont here. Now right click. You can do is what is ctrl this paste, done. ctrl-C, and wherever you want to paste ctrl-V. Okay, I think so. You all know this. On configuration files to text documents. Copy mon folder from 3 configuration files. Oh, I think so. I just need the configuration files. I think so. Know everything. Now where configuration to desktop this, and now I think so in the back. There we go. It's already over there. Now if I go here, and it just happened here. No, I don't know. Cancel. I wanna do this. Like that. This files. I paste mount over here. No, I don't wanna do that. Why don't I just directly clicks it? Go on files, and after that read what's it is here, and you have to just do it like that only. To this from this desktop random skins. That is already over there. Okay, but still for yours, I'll just go here, random skins, and a check, boom, refresh file destination. I'll just do this because I have pasted already over here. See, you see this thing mont over here, and it is in paste mont here. I just click this and done. Boom, we're done with that thing. So I'll just go back over here and just to see, copy the folder. No, that's done. Open it, click refresh all. I know this thing will always come over here. Store refresh all. After that, what's written here? From the bottom left selection, expand the folder mont. There we go. I'll just tell you after that. I know this thing. On normal position, on desktop. That layer also you have to do on desktop. After that recycle bin also, I'll just tell you. You can also add these things. These things look such cool. What to tell you? Settings also you can add over here. I don't think so. Is it? Yes. No, I don't. Not that. And extra, and the weather. Finally, the weather. Weather also you can add to your desktop. Okay. To your desktop, done. Refresh. Everything's done. I have just tell you, okay, from my side, some tips and all. Yes, so this is the date. This is the thing. I don't think so we need this, no, these settings you don't need this. This is the player. First of all, I'll just go and add what this wallpaper over here. Just click on it, or from there also you have to just set as background, or from here also you can do set as background. And I'll just close this, come back over here, see this. That's a cool, If I just click this icon, I'll just go to my here, and I'll just delete it from this place. That's done. Saw that. That's cool. Now just keep your things over here. Such as I'll just keep my recycle bin over here. And is there something? No. Why is it not going there? Okay, no worries. We can add it over here, and yes, that's what is needed. And my one is a bit different because I use 2-3 things and make your desktop cool look, this and that. So yes, that was by now. You should have the icon ducks. I have everything now. Just get out. hide desktop icon, let's click I know this, I have told you already. Thanks all. For full instructions please wait and watch the video. It's already written over there. I'll just give you these links. Yes, that is added by me. Now guys, thank you for watching this video, and yes, till now you know what to do and how to add. Now let me just go and edit the video. So bye bye guys, hope you like the video, and like, subscribe, share, and whatever you want to do. Comment me for something great thing you need to know, or I will research about that topic and post a video on that, so in detail, so you can understand the video. So until then, bye bye, tata, and watch my old videos. Bye bye.